Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together, 'cause I will be here. tomorrow morning if you wake up and the future is unclear. I'll be here, just as sure as seasons are made for change. Our lifetimes are made for years. And I will be here. I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you. I will be here to watch you grow in beauty, tell you all the things you want to me. I will be the one who gave you to me. I will be as sure as seasons are made for change. Our lifetimes are made for years. 'Cause I will be here. We'll be together forever. 'Cause I will be here. I will be here. I will be here.
Kailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan, paano niyan matatalikdan? Ngunit kahit na malimutan ng ina ang anak niyang tangan, hindi kita malilimutan. Kay pababayaan.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth a try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as the leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas,